Today I am going to explain about yam. It is a very important food material, and these yams are cultivated in our Assam and in some hilly areas also. It has very good economic importance because people may sell them and collect much money from these yams. Yam has other production also. From yam, one may produce some slice, produce some jamu, etc. Therefore, I now want to introduce some yams which are generally cultivated in our Assam. But I can say only the general name, which are not actually scientific name. Now, I want to introduce you the different kind of yam which are found in our Assam. Our first item, I want to show you, this is Solduri chocolate skin yam, because its skin is chocolate color. Its production varies from 3 to 10 kg, and it has a very sweetness and very fine to eat. This is called hilly chocolate skin yam. It has a huge production. This production varies from 100 to 140, and this is also a very sweet yam. One may earn much money from this yam. This is Mua single aloo. Actually, this is not yam. It is a kind of aloo only. This production varies from 300 gram only. Its production is 300 gram only. It is very sweet as like as sugar. This is stem of missing white aloo. The stems are thorny. Its production varies from 50 to 60 kg. It is produced in highland only. It does not produce, this stem does not produce bulbil as like as this. This is also bulbil of missing chocolate skin yam. Its production is 3 to 5 kg. This yam is called Kori chocolate skin yam. Its production is also very important, and its sweetness is also very good. Its production is 30 to 60 kg. This is also a kind of yam found in our Assam. This yam is called as elephant foot white skin yam. Its production is also 60 to 80 kg. It is a very white yam, and its sweetness is also very good. This is Thailand white yam. These are bulbil of Thailand white yam. Its production varies from 2 to 3 kg. It is a very good yam, and one may have a good taste from this yam. This is not yam, it is a kind of aloo. This aloo is called Shikohu aloo. Its production varies from 2 to 3 kg. This is also very important aloo. This is not yam. These aloos are called ginger aloo because its smell is like ginger, and its flower smell is also like a ginger, and alus are like ginger. Therefore, this alu's name is ginger alu. Our last item is called Thailand branch yam. It is found generally in Thailand and in our Assam also. These alus are named as Thailand branch yam, and its production varies from 5 to 10 kg. These are completely white and very sweet yam. Now I am going to show you a easy production of yam and alu. My process is very easy and it is a very efficient, and one may dig out alu and yam very easily. So I want to show you the process. This is a cement bag, or you may take any plastic bag also, and fill the cement bag with cow dung and ash. Then put some straw. Look at this. This is cow dung, and under this cow dung there is ash. Now I put straw here. Straws are put here because the cow dung cannot damage the alu or yam. Now I put 4 pieces of alu, mua alu, because it has a good production and you may get more than 10 kg. After putting this mua alu, put again cow dung. The cow dung should be dry. Then again put straw upon cow dung. It's a very single process and very easy process. And now fill the bottom of a bag with soil so that it cannot fall down. And you may also fill the side of the bag with cow dung. This process must help this bag, help this mua alu to have very high production, and then cover this bag with some dry grass so that sunshine cannot damage this. This is the process, very easy process. You must cover this bag with some grass, dry grass, as like as this. These are the dry grass. This way. And the bag should be taken by the side of a tree so that the climbing stem may climb up the tree. So this is a very good process, and after a year you can dig this bag, and by removing this straw and other materials from this bag, you may find out the alu very easily. This production is very good and very high production, and the process is very easy. And so I have shown you this process. You can do this in your home also.